Castor oil is a natural remedy that offers many health benefits, especially for those over 50. This oil, made from the seeds of the castor plant, contains ricinoleic acid, which helps reduce inflammation and moisturize dry skin. It's also rich in antioxidants like vitamin E, which fight free radicals that contribute to aging. As we age, our skin becomes drier and less elastic, and joint pain increases. Castor oil helps by hydrating skin and easing joint discomfort. Its unique properties make it a powerful tool for maintaining health, beauty, and vitality as you grow older. Let's explore its 5 key benefits. Benefit 1. Improves skin health and reduces wrinkles. One of the most noticeable effects of aging is the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and dry skin. As we get older, our skin loses moisture more easily, and the collagen that keeps our skin firm starts to break down. Castor oil can be a game changer for combating these changes. It deeply hydrates the skin, helping to restore the moisture that aging skin often lacks. By doing so, it can reduce the dryness and flakiness that can make fine lines more noticeable. Moreover, castor oil is rich in antioxidants, particularly vitamin E, which help to fight free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that damage skin cells, contributing to the breakdown of collagen and the development of wrinkles. By neutralizing these free radicals, castor oil slows down the aging process of your skin, making it look smoother and more youthful. What's more, the ricinoleic acid in castor oil also has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. This helps soothe irritation, calm redness, and reduce inflammation that can lead to premature aging. Studies have shown that these properties not only improve the overall texture of the skin, but also help in reducing blemishes and acne scars, making castor oil an all-around skin-enhancing agent. Benefit 2. Relieves joint pain and stiffness. As we age, joint pain and stiffness can become more prevalent due to the natural reduction in cartilage and the increased inflammation that accompanies aging. Whether it's in your knees, hips, or lower back, these aches and pains can significantly affect your mobility and quality of life. Thankfully, castor oil can help alleviate these issues, making it a fantastic natural remedy for joint discomfort. The secret lies in ricinoleic acid, the same compound that makes castor oil so effective for skin health. Ricinoleic acid is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce swelling and pain in the joints. When applied topically, castor oil works to relax the muscles surrounding the affected joint, while also easing inflammation that causes discomfort. This can be especially helpful for people who suffer from conditions like arthritis or general joint stiffness. Research has shown that castor oil can be an effective treatment for conditions like osteoarthritis, where inflammation of the joints can lead to pain and reduced range of motion. Studies also suggest that applying castor oil regularly to sore joints can improve circulation, which aids in faster recovery and healing. A practical way to use castor oil for joint pain relief is by creating a warm castor oil compress. Simply soak a cloth or towel in castor oil, heat it, a microwave or hot water works well, and then apply it to the painful area. The warmth helps the oil penetrate deep into the tissues, while the oil itself works to reduce inflammation and relieve pain. You can leave the compress on for 20 to 30 minutes, allowing the oil to do its magic. This is a soothing, effective way to manage joint pain naturally, and it's something you can easily incorporate into your evening routine. Benefit 3. Boosts hair growth and health. As we age, many people start to experience thinning hair, slower hair growth, and dryness. These changes are often due to hormonal shifts that affect the health of our hair follicles. But the good news is that castor oil can help reverse some of these issues. Castor oil is packed with vitamin E, a key nutrient that promotes hair growth by strengthening hair follicles. This vitamin helps improve blood circulation to the scalp, stimulating growth and giving your hair the nourishment it needs to thrive. In addition to promoting hair growth, castor oil also keeps your scalp hydrated, preventing dryness and flakiness that can lead to dandruff. The moisturizing properties of castor oil work wonders to maintain a healthy scalp environment, which is crucial for strong, healthy hair. When your scalp is well nourished and hydrated, your hair follicles can perform better, leading to stronger and shinier hair over time. If you're wondering how to incorporate this into your routine, it's simple. Mix castor oil with a lighter oil, like coconut oil or almond oil, to make it easier to apply. These oils will help thin out the castor oil for better spreadability and absorption. Apply the mixture directly to your scalp before bed, gently massaging it in with your fingertips to boost circulation and ensure even coverage. Leave it overnight and wash it out in the morning. With consistent use, you may start to notice thicker, healthier hair with reduced thinning and dryness. Benefit 4. Enhances digestive health. As we age, our digestive systems tend to slow down. This can lead to a range of issues, such as constipation, bloating, and irregular bowel movements. A sluggish metabolism makes digestion less efficient, and it becomes harder for your body to process food and eliminate waste properly. Thankfully, castor oil can be a helpful tool for promoting digestive health. Castor oil is a natural laxative, and its primary active ingredient, ricinoleic acid, stimulates the intestines to promote regular bowel movements. This helps prevent constipation and keeps your digestive system functioning smoothly. When taken in small amounts, castor oil can help to relieve bloating and discomfort by improving the efficiency of your digestive system. Scientific research has also demonstrated that castor oil packs, where a cloth soaked in castor oil is placed on the abdomen, can help improve liver health and detoxification. The oil encourages better circulation and the elimination of toxins, supporting overall digestive function. Benefit 5. Strengthens immunity and reduces inflammation. As we enter our 50s and beyond, our immune system naturally weakens, making us more susceptible to illnesses and chronic conditions. This decline in immune function often leads to increased inflammation in the body, which can cause pain and exacerbate conditions like arthritis, autoimmune disorders, and other chronic diseases. Castor oil can play a key role in boosting the immune system and reducing inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil, specifically its ricinoleic acid, help manage inflammation in the body. By applying castor oil to areas of the body that experience chronic inflammation or pain, you can reduce swelling and discomfort. The oil also promotes healthy lymphatic circulation, which is crucial for detoxification and overall immune function. When your lymphatic system is flowing properly, your body can better fight off infections and rid itself of toxins that contribute to chronic disease. Research shows that using castor oil packs on the body can significantly improve lymphatic flow and immune response. The process involves applying a cloth soaked in castor oil to the skin, usually over the abdomen or lymph nodes, and leaving it in place for up to 30 minutes. This simple practice can help support your immune system and boost your body's natural defenses. To summarize, castor oil offers 5 great benefits for people over 50. It helps hydrate and refresh aging skin, reducing wrinkles and promoting a youthful glow. It also eases joint pain and stiffness, making movement easier. Castor oil encourages healthy hair growth, keeping hair thick and strong. It supports digestive health, promoting regular bowel movements and detoxification. Lastly, it boosts your immune system and reduces inflammation, helping you feel more energetic. Adding castor oil to your nightly routine can improve your health and vitality. Share your experiences in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips.